soft where shadows bite, secrets hidden in the thorns, beauty whispering reborn, dancing with the breeze so fine, sun-kissed sparkles intertwine, grace and strength and crimson flare, rose flower beyond compare. Oh, a rose flower scent so sweet, in the garden life's heartbeat, bloom and fade but never gone, your spirit carries on and on, waves of color bright and true, crafting magic out of dew, growing tall with endless pride, nature's wonders by your side. In the night when stars do gleam, underneath the moonlit beam, you're the queen of twilight's hour, majesty in rose flower. Oh, rose flower scent so sweet, in the garden life's heartbeat, bloom and fade but never gone, your spirit carries on and on. Oh, rose flower scent so sweet, in the garden life's heartbeat, bloom and fade but never gone, your spirit carries on and on. Oh, rose flower scent so sweet,